Hey, how you doing? Today is December 7th, 2023. One of our trades hit our limit. What was it? Franc yen, I believe, is gone. Everything else has gone positive here. No negative trades, so that's great. Um, and yeah, so today we're going to go back and revisit the pound US dollar, one of my favorite pairs, one of the most volatile pairs out there. Um, we did enter a trade, it's gone now, so let's revisit that. Hold on one sec. Had to just go blow my nose. I'm still suffering from a cold here, as you can probably hear. I'm all stuffed up. Anyways, let's jump right into it. Great British Pound USD. Here we are. Hello. Hello, pound US dollar. Okay, our charts are still up. I'm not going to redo these because you can go back and look at the first video and see how we arrived at our wave one. Let's just examine that. Now let's go to the week chart. You can see our clear and obvious top to top. Bring that down. We have more resistance points, resistance, support, support, support all the way through, leading right down to here. Kind of poked beyond. Well, if we went there, then exactly. Amazing how that works. Anyways, we'll bring it up to there. So we had these two little poke out points. So here we are, uh, traveling up. Interesting. It looks like it's almost about to hit. Let's go to the 1-day chart here. So I still have, it's still on. Interesting. The trade, so we entered where? I don't know, somewhere down here. It's gone up. And it's still rising. Okay, so we can leave that one. We're still buying on the pound. Let's look at a different pair. Uh, how about how about um hmm let's go. Let's do a strange one. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. How about that? A really weird outside pair there. There we go. Let's take a look at the New Zealand yen. What is going on with this? Wave one. Um, Probably this would be the big picture. Let's go 3 pixels. Let's go yellow. Okay. Let's duplicate and see. Okay, there we go. Resistance, just coming up to resistance. If we bring it back here, doesn't want to quite. There we go. So that probably matches up with that point. So kind of a general uptrend with the New Zealand dollar to the yen. Is this for sure the wave one? Maybe, maybe not. We could try, well, I don't know. It probably is. It looks pretty good. Sorry about my stuffed up nose there. Yeah, look at that. Support, 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 all the way across. Resistance, resistance, here, here. We'll call this wave one. Um, I don't know where this would line up. Well, let's see. Just for fun. Doesn't really tell us too much there. So let's bring it back here. This is more relevant. Wave 2 is this, oops, come back. There we go, wave 2 is that. So let's go to our day chart now and chart out wave 2, which is this. Zoom in a little more, there we go. And should we go off the wick or the body? Let's see. Maybe the wick. John Wick. There we go. And we're going to make that 3 pixels dark blue there. Okay. Duplicate. Let's see what we have here. Yeah. Looks pretty good there. Resistance, resistance, going across there. It's been bouncing along the bottom here. Big drop. This last movement. So this is a harder one to read for sure. Let's see if we can get some more internal verification. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Support, support. Kind of zigzagging here. And any more. There we go. Resistance, resistance, and cross. So yeah, I'm thinking that is a pretty good wave 2. Wave 3. What is that? It's this crazy move here. What happens there? Let's bring this one down. There we go. Yeah, like again, resistance support all the way. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And there is our big crazy wave 3 that's happening. Could it be this downtrend? It might be. It might just be the start of this most recent trend. I think that's how we need to look at this. And let's find that turquoise there for wave 3. Okay. And is that the bottom? We don't know. Yeah, it's hard. That's a hard one. Again. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I would stay away from this one altogether. It's a tricky pair. Let's go back to the 1 day chart. I think that's a little more helpful. Just knowing how the market goes, when you see a huge movement like that, it's going to carry on. There's momentum to this, no doubt about it. So yeah. You don't know, because okay, let's go back to wave 2 here. Maybe that's a little more helpful. We've got this support here. This is clearly a support line. And okay, it's come right down to that support line. So then, and it's bounced off. So what we're looking at is, well, we've seen these huge, crazy moves in this pair. Look at that. These down, 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 big downs. And then it levels off. So it had this move here, bounced. It'll probably kind of level off here and then likely go up because the trend is up overall on this wave. Both waves are uptrends, wave 1 and wave 2. So on the other hand, it may want to go to the bottom outside of this wave 2. Maybe it's not happy stopping here. So that's kind of a toss-up. Realistically, we'd probably want to wait to see if it breaks through convincingly and carry on, and then we would trade it down to here. But tell you what, just for fun, once again, for fun, let's enter that trade as a sell. So stop. Where's our stop? We would put it just outside of the wave 3, like right there. That's where the stop has to be a safe stop, outside of wave 3. There's red. Okay. Target. No, sorry, not trend line, horizontal line. Target is going to be the wave 2, the bottom of this, this wave. We're going to pretend that it's going right to the outside. It gives us a decent risk-reward ratio. So 2 picks, like that. Bright green. Okay, there it is. There's our trade. Sell down to here. And let's see. Let's just see how that one goes, shall we? Reduce. And let's find this. Is it even here? Probably not. No. Okay, add instrument. NZD, JPY. There we go. And there it is. Market. Sell 2,000. Take profit at, what is that? 86.25. 86.25. Stop loss at, wait, it's time for the glasses. My eyes are getting dim. And that says 90.06. Okay. 90.06. Was that, am I correct about that? Yes, 86.25. Okay. All is correct. Everything is in order. And boom. Place order. Confirm. Done. We are in the game on this one. Stay tuned. Let's find out what happens. Who's doing well here? Oh, the pound yen. Yes, indeed. Okay. So we have a lot more shorts than longs going on here, that's for sure. The whole market's crashing. Well, of course, it's not really crashing. When one goes down, the other goes up. What goes up must come down. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like, and smash that notification so you know when new videos are coming up and you can get those trades. Okay, take care. Thanks.